An emotional day in court today as the family of a little girl struck while riding her scooter saw the accused drunk driver for the first time.
Her family members were yelling out at Anthony Sudith as he faced a judge for his second arraignment. Eyewitness News has learned Sudith's blood alcohol level was almost 5 times the legal limit when police say he hit 7-year-old Haley with his car on a Warwick road back in May.
Haley is on the mend. Her great aunt sent us this photo right here saying Haley's right leg is healed. Her left leg is still healing, but she can bend her knee and ankle and wiggle her toes. Now, according to her aunt, next week she'll be able to stand and start putting weight on her leg. Eyewitness
News reporter Kate Walsh is live outside of Kent County Court where Sudith appeared today. Kate.
Well, for several months now, we've been checking in with Warwick Police, awaiting those toxicology results. And Warwick Police filed those results at the end of July. But today, I got a copy of the supplemental police report showing Anthony Sudith's blood alcohol content level was at 0.38, which is nearly 5 times the legal limit of 0.08. Family of 7-year-old Haley Molina heartbroken and outraged in Kent County Superior Court Thursday morning. You can hear the little girl's great uncle in the background as you look here at 48-year-old Anthony Sudith of Warwick.
First time seeing him in person. Didn't really want to look at him.
Sudith is accused of drunkenly hitting Haley Molina with his SUV as she was riding her scooter with her mom and siblings in Warwick's Pontiac neighborhood on May 9th. Sudith was arrested at the scene and was arraigned the next day on a charge of driving to endanger, resulting in serious bodily injury. He was ordered held without bail at the time as a violator on prior cases out of Superior Court. But a charge of DUI in this case was pending, awaiting toxicology results. Then on July 25th, Warwick Police released those results showing the blood alcohol content at 0.38 an hour after Sudith's arrest. He pleaded not guilty to the new charge of felony DUI Thursday morning. We spoke with Haley's great uncle, Providence City Councilman Nicholas Narducci, who was in court.
I feel he should never see the outside world because if he's done it 3 times, he'll do it again.
Haley still has a long road ahead to recover from serious leg injuries.
Strong in front of her, but it's hard seeing your granddaughter in a wheelchair because of some idiot had a drive drunk.
Now, according to the police reports here, it says that Anthony Sudith said he had not been drinking at the scene there, although he is being held again at the ACI tonight. And the family of Haley Molina said that they are only getting through this through the help of the community. You'll hear from them about that on Eyewitness News at 6 tonight. Live in Warwick, I'm Kate Walsh, Eyewitness News.
First tonight at 6, a not guilty plea in court from the man charged with driving drunk and seriously injuring a 7-year-old girl.
Police say Anthony Sudith was 4 times the legal limit when he lost control of his car in May, hitting Haley Molina while she was riding her scooter. Today, Haley's family was in court as Sudith entered his plea. Eyewitness News reporter Kate Walsh has been tracking this story all day. She joins us now live from court. Kate?
Well, Anthony Sudith is back at the ACI tonight. At last check, he was ordered held without bail, but not on this case. It's actually for being considered a violator for a prior case out of Superior Court here. This all as Haley Molina continues to recover from serious leg injuries. For the first time, the family of 7-year-old Haley Molina faced the man accused of drunkenly hitting her with his SUV while she was riding her scooter with her family in Warwick on May 9th.
When say emotions, I feel sick.
48-year-old Anthony Sudith of Warwick pleaded not guilty in Kent County Superior Court Thursday morning to an initial charge of driving to endanger, causing serious bodily injury, and a new charge of felony DUI.
I felt myself shaking like, the baby's life will never be the same.
Eyewitness News obtained a supplemental report from Warwick Police showing Sudith's blood alcohol level at 0.38, nearly 5 times the legal limit of 0.08 an hour after he was arrested at the scene. According to a Warwick Police report, Sudith told police at the scene he had not been drinking. Haley Molina is still in a wheelchair as she recovers from serious leg injuries. Her family overwhelmed by the community support at many fundraisers they've held for Haley.
It's just been absolutely wonderful.
And I think that's what's getting us through everything that we've been through with the baby is because all the prayers and the family and friends and just people in the community, people we don't even know.
Haley's great aunt has been updating us over the past few months on her condition, and at last check she said one leg is healed, the other is still recovering from the injuries, but she can bend her knee now and she plans to put weight on it starting next week. Haley's grandmother said Haley is in very high spirits and that she told them she's just grateful no one was killed. Live in Warwick tonight, I'm Kate Walsh, Eyewitness News.